Upon detecting rather anomalies during the lifestyle reviews, department are therefore requested to investigate the cases of officials who have been flagged for financial disclosure misconduct. Where elements of criminality are identified, department refers such matters to Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation. However, Chair, I think it's important to mention the fact that cases are not referred simply because they are flagged. But we first look at internal processes, and where there is prima facie evidence, it's only then that those cases get referred to external law enforcement agencies. In instances where department do not have the capacity to conduct investigations, the matter therefore may be referred to external service providers, as I've said, such as a special investigating unit. Of the 117, because our records shows 117, not 141 officials who were flagged for suspicious financial disclosure misconduct, are currently in different stages of investigation within their respective departments. So up until those internal processes are exhausted, only then that the measures can be taken forward. Some of those cases have been earmarked for investigating by external service providers. Some cases have been finalized internally, and some officials were not found guilty. And there is also a case that I've been made aware of one official who resigned and was employed by another department, hence the importance of us trying to fast track the register to prevent such from happening.